Can you say mama's name? Can you say dad? Dad? Can you say daddy's name? Can you say Indy? Indy? Can you say Indy?
Can I hold her?
Sige, hold on. Sige. Gatanghal ba ya ako Indy? Sus, gatanghal ba yan?
She's standing.
Sige na, prepare Ate's lunch.
Oh, she's following me, Mom.
I know. Come on, Indy. Rice? Rice with Mama? Well done, Indy. Alright, I'll prepare your lunch.
And then. I need my feet.
Last day of school, baby! Last day as well. Hey! Hey! So last day ng school ni Ayla. Tapos they get 2 weeks school holiday and then term 3 starts and yun na yung reception na siya. And today is Arlo's last day of sports as well. And tomorrow is Ayla's last day of gymnastics. So gymnastics, sports, merong holidays din. Yung walang holidays yung swimming. So yung swimming nila kahit school holiday, it's still going. Hello! I need to make Arlo lunch as well.
Can I help you?
Sure. Sige. Put it here. Got lots of apples. You like apples, don't you?
You get the same.
Alright, girl. It's gonna be a short day for you today. Daddy will drop you off. Daddy will go to sports. Punta si Daddy sa sports na naman with us. And then Daddy will pick you up. He will pick you up at 12:30. We will see. Aray!
Nanny's back! Nanny's back from her holiday!
She is back from her holiday. Yeah, the guys saw her last night. Nag-holiday din kasi yun si Nana. Lagi naman sila nag-holiday. But they are back. You're done. Thank you so much for your help. I appreciate your help always. Go sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. Go to the table and sit down. I'm gonna get your uniform. Or do you wanna go to the toilet? Go to the toilet. I'll get you your uniform so you can wear it. Dito na siya. Hey, where are you going? Go follow Ate. Look, Ate. Where's Ate going? Yeah, I know.
Mommy, why are you following?
So, Indy follows us. Good job, Indy. You got Ate show. Ayan. Puntayan niyo siya dun sa harap. Magsasalamin yan. Hello. You lucky girl. Aw, she's actually so lucky. You're lucky. When Ate was that young, Ate didn't have space. You didn't have enough space, Baba. Well, it was good, but...
I didn't like when it was like, keep doing that.
Yeah.
Like, it was like,
Nung ganitong edad kasi si Ayla, nasa rental tayo. Maliit yun.
the wall.
Pero she still had a really good childhood. Siya lang naman mag-isa. Na. That's why we moved. Is that the reason why we moved? Like it, baby. All smiles. What?
Peace,
Let's go. Let's go. What happened here? Let's go. How long you need to fix your shoes? The wrong way. Wrong way your shoes. Come on. Take it off. There you go. Good boy. Alright, come on. It's okay, baby. We're going. Come on. Indy. It's alright, babe. We're going. Mommy's car is outside. Alright, let's go.
A bedtime.
Really?
Yeah. Here.
Ay, hindi po may epekto ang aking headache tablet.
I have it everywhere, Mommy.
Ilang araw na naman sunod-sunod walang tulog.
At your house.
Ay, ewan ko ba? Akala mo matatapos na yung mahirap na stage, pero wala pa rin.
What's spider web at your house? What's spider web at your
There's yeah, spider webs. I know, oh my gosh, my hand.
Will you touch that wall?
Can we wait a couple minutes? Mommy's headache is bad.
Me move. Mommy ready?
I'm ready.
Indy ready?
Indy ready. Allo ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready?
I watched that one.
Let's just stay here for a little bit. Maaga pa, kaya lang. Si Indy kasi.
You the bit, Mommy.
Gusto na niya umalis.
I
Wait
want
a
to
bit.
stay here. You the bit.
You don't want to stay here a little bit.
I need to move.
Alright, let's move.
On.
Mommy's got a headache though. Is that okay?
No.
Okay.
You have a headache. I drink some medicine. I got medicine, Mommy. My medicine.
Yeah, I had medicine already. I'm waiting for it to kick in.
Are you sick? Are you sick, Mama?
I am a bit sick, yes, mate. We got the photos from yesterday.
Mama, you need to.
Oh my gosh.
You need to have all medicines, Mama.
Sorry?
You have all medicine.
I need to have all the medicine.
Yeah, and it makes you feel better.
Oh, to make me feel better.
And we put all on the water, all the medicines, and it feels tasty.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
That's a perfume, a bigger perfume.
The big perfume. What about the big perfume?
And there's a with untailed one.
Does the big perfume make Mama sick?
No.
No? What do you mean? Why are you talking about the big perfume? What are you gonna buy me, Alo?
Perfume.
Perfume. Alam niyo bang hindi niyo yan nakakalimutan? When we...
There's a big airplane.
Philippines big airplane. Nung papunta tayong Bali, guys, tapos nag-amoy-amoy ako ng perfume sa airport, hindi na niya nakalimutan. Sabi niya, Mommy, I will buy you perfume. Tapos ngayon, lagi niya sinasabi, like, I have money in my money box, I'll buy you perfume. How much money do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This many.
Oh, wow, that's a lot. You've got lots of money, Alo.
$1,000.
$1,000?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
I love that.
Yeah, I love that, yeah. And what are you gonna buy with your money? Perfume. I will miss you when you go to school.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you
Sabi niya, okay. Punta pala si Dan ngayon sa sports. So, kapag na-free niya, kapag kaya niyang i-free yung kanyang Friday, guys. Friday 10:30, fini-free niya. Kasi aawa siya sa akin. Sabi niya, you'll struggle, so I'll just help you. Sabi ko, no, I'm good, I'm fine. Sanay na ako. But then Dan's like, she's getting heavy. She's getting heavy. So he's gonna help. He will be there and hold Indy while I join in with Alo. And alam nyo ba, gusto kong kumain ng Ilocos empanada. Para akong ewan talaga, guys. Nakikita ko siya sa TikTok ko, tapos sabi ko, bakit parang ang sarap? Tapos tinicheck ko kung may gumagawa dito. Walang gumagawa. Now, alam ko ba kung ano yung lasa ng Ilocos empanada? Hindi. Na-try ko na ba siya? Hindi. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit gusto ko siya kainin. Feeling ko ang sarap-sarap. So, baka gumawa ako sarili ko ng empanada. Para akong buang. Ako na talaga. Pero ano lang siguro muna, yung madaling version lang muna. Ewan ko guys. Pero yun yung gusto kong kainin lately. Tapos lagi pa siyang lumalabas sa FYP ko. Yung parang, like hindi ako laging nagti-TikTok guys. I just, kapag nag-scroll man ako sa gabi, TikTok yung pinupuntahan ko. Kasi wala lang, parang feeling ko TikTok gets me. Parang alam niya yung mga nararamdaman ko sa life. I don't know. I'm talking to the guys. Yeah, nag-check ako sa TikTok. Tapos marami din kasi ako natututunan doon. Like, if I'm looking for like a recipe, I go to TikTok now, not YouTube anymore. Kasi it's short, it's quick. That's what I like. You guys know, I like quick and just like, you know, give it to me right now. Like, walang paligoy-ligoy pa. And yeah, my FYP is showing me Ilocos empanada. Oh my gosh, my head.
What are you holding?
It's hurting, yes.
It's not feeling better?
Not yet, mate. But it will because I had medicine.
What? Is it better now?
Not yet, mate. Thank you for asking. You're welcome. I love you so much, Halo. You're the best boy in the whole wide world.
I put something like your head.
You want to put something on my head?
Yes.
We're here. We found a car park. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na si
What car
Daddy. Yeah, we're parked.
I told you you found it over here.
Aw.
And that told you.
Yeah. I'm
Why?
looking for Ati's photos.
Hey, Mom, look. I holding on.
You are.
It don't have money there, Mommy.
What do you think? Can you see money? No more money. Where's my money?
I'll buy some. I'll buy some perfume. I got money.
No, thank you, baby.
I got money.
You do,
No,
yeah.
no, I'm not steal my money then.
Hmm?
No, don't steal my. No, I'm not steal my money then.
No one can steal your money, I know.
I need to buy something. I need to buy something by myself. That's what by myself. And I buy a perfume.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Big perfume.
Oh, thanks, mate.
You bust my
Massive job. Oh, look at us, Halo. That's you.
I'm the fire. And the iron.
Oh,
And the
baby.
fire and the iron. I'm not smiling.
You're not smiling. Yeah, let's look. Maybe there's more. Oh, look at you. You're doing
No.
this.
I need to do that.
Oh, babe.
I need to do that.
Oh, you're such a
I
big
did.
boy now.
Yes.
Yeah.
And is it big boy?
Indy's a big girl too. Hello, you're not my baby anymore.
Why?
You're my big boy now.
I'm not big boy.
You're not a big boy? You're still mommy's baby.
Yes. I'm still mommy's baby.
Oh, babe. What did he say, Alo?
I'm not good down.
He said, hi, nako girl. Tina-timing mo talaga, girl. Gising na siya. Hi, nako girl.
I'm not good.
That's okay. Daddy's here.
Well, I'll be the
Good job. Good job.
Steady, go!
Go! Run, Alo! It's so great. Kick it. You can. Go. Well done. Kick another one. Oh, well done, Alo. Yeah, hit. All right, move on. Daddy's got it. Yeah, you're done. You did it. Oh, good. And then kick the ball, Alo. Kick it. Big kick. Yeah. Well done. Okay, hurry up. Pick up the ball. Go, Alo. Kick. Big one. Kick it. Oh my gosh. Balance. Backwards. Just wait. Wait for your turn. Yeah. Well done.
When I call your name, and make sure cheer for your friend for your name is called. Once we're all scored, you guys can do a sticker as well. And then pass it down on our stage. Be really careful because it is very slippery already. I've got Marlo.
You wanna sit there? Go there. That was a good session, guys. Very good session.
This super hard.
Oh, I know. Ihatid lang natin si Daddy sa car park niya. Saan kaya siya nakapark?
Mommy, why not turn the ball
Maybe just draw it that way.
Okay.
What's in the big box?
Big box. Just return. The door, babe.
What's the door with you?
In this door.
Mommy,
Yes?
what are you creating?
What happened, Ala?
What are you creating?
Ala did not break in.
Yana break it, did she?
No, yesterday.
Did she?
Mommy,
Everything happened yesterday.
what is nothing?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, these kids going to the swimming.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
yo,
Yolk. What yolk?
Mommy, come.
Yes. Oh, did Ida break that one?
No, yo.
So
Oh,
just,
yeah.
I'll get the thing out the boot, the box. So just ready here.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, and I'll maybe we'll follow each other.
Yes. Punta tayong Coles, guys. And samahan tayo ni Danny. Oh, actually, no. Punta ako sa Asian restaurant. No, not restaurant. Ano ba pinagsasabi ko eh? Punta ako sa Asian shop. Kasi gusto ko mag-quick parang mo. Kung ano-ano na lang talaga iniisip. Yes, baby?
Oh, I found over there. I not mommy.
Oh, wow.
I need to buy.
Hello, babe.
Alright, are you on the way to clean up?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
That's alright.
let's go. Alright.
See
There's
ya.
a couple of minutes behind you, so see you soon. Bye.
Boy. Is that yellow? Is that it, my love? Yay! I think, is that what I'm missing? Let me just check my receipt because I think I need yellow. Do you want that rainbow cookie?
Yes.
Okay, go get it. We'll make it at home. Good boy. Do we still have some hundreds and these ones, my love? Yeah. Nakasale yung napi ni Indy, but laging walang malaking box na size 3. Laging walang size 3. Wala nga dito. Oh, magkasabay kaming nanganak lahat. Ito, merong ganito. Pero mas maganda yung malaking box. Wala din sa taas. Dito kami sa Homes Supermarket. Meron silang quail egg, guys. At saka feeling ko balut yung nakuha ko. Antok na yung inday ko. Shumai na. I'm good. Does it look alright? What is it? Fish. May mga bread sila dito, oh. Hindi ko pa yan na-try, guys. Yung pork floss, hindi ko pa yan na-try. Ano yan? Coconut roll. Gusto ko lang pang lunch ko. Ano to? Parang pineapple na. Dito tayo. So, twin sausage at saka sausage to. Let's go twin sausage. I'll go this one. I-try ko kaya yung pork floss. Try ko ba? I don't know. No. Ano yan? Garlic. Ayan. Yun lang. Garlic sausage bun. I want that. That's good. Alright. They have these all. Spicy pork feet. Kung bet nyo yung mga ganyan. They have good stuff here. They've got that as well. That's yummy too. Yung salad na yun. We are home. Nakastop pa talaga kami sa Coles at saka sa Home Supermarket. Milk. Bumili ako nito. Kasi sabi ko, kapag nakahanap ako ng quail egg, mag-quick ako. And ito yung pang sauce natin sa quick. Ang dami kong gustong kainin. I got quail eggs. Hindi siya luto. So, kailangan natin siya lutuin. Dalawa yan. Ayan. This is from the Home Supermarket. Ay, meron silang itlog doon, duck egg, but it's not balut. In-explain pa namin kay kuya kung ano yung balut niya. Sabi niya, it's just raw duck egg. It's not what we were looking for. So, binalik namin. Mini pickles. Ito, nakita ko sa Home Supermarket din. So, yung iba, combination na to guys ng Coles at saka Home Supermarket. Shrimp, siomai. And naubusan ako ng siomai kasi one night siomai with miswa. Yung miswa with siomai. And naubos na lahat. And sabi ni Dan, ayan, siomai. Kasi I made my own garlic sauce. Ako na talaga ang gumawa na sarili kong garlic sauce and gustong-gusto ko siya. Hindi ko siya tatawagin chili garlic sauce kasi more on garlic siya. So, I call it garlic sauce, but it's a bit spicy. Oh my gosh, I'm craving that as well. Just got Twiggy stick. Ito, kakainin ko to. Yung from Home Supermarket. So, I got this in these snacks. What? Okay, are you finished washing? Just got cheese. Ala! Ito para kay Dan to. Ito para sa akin. Naiwan niya. That's okay. That's okay. I'll turn it off. I'll do it. And then... Yeah, that's okay. I'll do it. Do you want me to do it? Ang daming distractions ng ating haul. I got yellow food color. Nag-order na ako ng red food color kasi nagpapa-online order ako, diba? And wala silang yellow, so hindi na-include sa order ko. So, I just added yellow today. Kasi nga, kailangan kong gumawa ng orange for the kwek-kwek or for the empanada. And then I got this. So, yung empanada, rice flour daw siya. Tapos, merong papaya. Kaya lang, wala naman akong mahanap na papaya. So, cabbage na lang yung ilalagay ko. Gagawin ko ba talaga siya today? No, yung plano ko actually is, itry ko muna siya sa ito. So, instead of like empanada, lumpianada na muna siya. Kasi I just wanna try kung magugustuhan ko yung lasa ng loob. Kasi it's different. I haven't tried it before. It's got longganisa, yun nga, cabbage, itlog. So, it's different. And kapag nagustuhan ko yung feeling niya with the lumpia wrapper, then I'm gonna effort to do the rice flour. So, anyway, this. So, last online order ko, hindi ako nakabili nito because it was out of stock. So, we got 5 packs of the probiotic drink. And that's it. Alright, maglumpia-nada tayo for dinner. Kasi mayroon akong wrapper. Oh my gosh, ako na talaga. Ito lang naman. Tapos, lalagyan daw ng munggo. Kaya lang, parang ayoko munang mag-commit dun sa munggo. Parang feeling ko weird kapag may munggo. I-try ko muna yung with cabbage, longganisa, at saka cheese. Yeah, yung iba din may cheese din. Yeah, anyway. Kainin ko muna to kasi yung gutom na race yung nagsasalita. So, ang dami kong gustong gawin. Ang dami kong gusto kainin. Baka after nito, mas maliwanagan ang ating utak. Kasi right now, parang nakatingin ako sa quail egg. Gusto kong mag-kwek-kwek, pero gusto ko din mag-lumpianada. Ewan ko na lang. Guys, ako na talaga. Look at me. Gumawa ako ng dough. Rice flour lang naman to. Rice flour, seasoning, tapos tubig. And, tingnan nyo to. Meron na ako naka-ready. Pero, maglalagay po din ako sa lumpia wrapper kasi si Dan. Kakain din kasi si Dan. Baka hindi niya magustuhan. So, lulutuin ko yung ito. Yung iba, hindi naman niluto, pero yung iba niluto din. Feeling ko mas safe ako kung lulutuin ko siya. Para sure ball. So, ito yung longganisa from Costco. Na masarap actually to. Hapon na pala guys. Umalis si Daddy. May appointment siya. And si Ayla kanina pa nagdo-drawing. Ay, nako. Yung anak ko talagang yun. Walang ka-problema sa buhay. Guys, ako na talaga ang mag-i-Ilocos empanada. So, nandito na yung aking dough. And then, ito yung in-airfry ko kanina. Tapos, buo-buo pa din siya sa airfryer. So, yung ginawa ko sa kanya, nilagay ko siya sa chopper and ganito na siya kaninipis. So, let's assemble. Hopefully, okay to. Kasi ang sakit ng ulo ko kagawa nito. So, we will do this. Cabbage. And then, ito. First time ko tong gawin, guys. Never pa ako nakakain ito. Hindi din ako taga Ilocos. Ewan ko lang talaga kung bakit ko to ginagawa sa sarili ko. Uy, hala. Sana wag bang, ala. Wait sa Ayla. No. Oh, shoot balls. Okay, fail agad. Fail agad. You guys. Ako na talaga. May suka ako dito. Gusto ko na siyang kainin habang mainit pa siya. Excited ako dito sa ito yung unahin ko. I-ano natin. Hatiin natin. Uy! Ang itlog. Agoy! Kabuyog sa itlog. Hello. Oh my gosh, look at that! Unang kagat, dough lahat. In fairness sa dough ko, may lasa. Ayoko mo nang lagyan ng suka. Itlog pa lang yun. Uy. Girl. In fairness sa dough mo, girl. Alright, suka. Yum.
Mommy?
Yeah.
No, I don't like wood.
Uy, buyag, sarap. Hindi pa legit to, ha?
This is how we make a talkie. A talkie.
Mag-aalasin ko pa lang, guys.
What? How?
Thank you, Lord. Wala man. Niluluto ko na yung mga sarili kong cravings.
He will make the best snake ever.